there's a mini golf putt-putt game place inside the Bally's. I'm gonna go check it out today. All right, here I am at Bally's, and when you come into Bally's, there's an escalator downstairs. There's all kind of fun things down here. I'm gonna go to what's called the Twilight Zone. There's also like a lot of massage booths down here, which I visited before. Let's go check it all out. There it is, Twilight Zone by Monster Mini Golf. That's really awesome. Come down and check it out. All right, this is called the Twilight Zone. And then I think they have the mini golf in here. Yes? I'm just here at the mini golf, and I'm gonna come down here and check it out. It's a really nice place. Kids 5 and under are free, so everyone should come down here. All right, so that's real fun in here. Look, these guys here are taking a shot right here. It's all like neon. Check that out. That's real fun. And then we go around here. There's a little hole. Oh, check this out. That's real fun. Then we go around. And they got all the scary characters, and it's all neon lit up. So if you wear like white clothes, you'll be all like lit up in the neon. That's really cool. All right, check it out. That's fun. We got all kind of holes around here. So that's your mini golf. That's a fun deal. Mini golf. Got some other fun games. You got the Spaceball win. This is the Twilight Zone. Then you got bowling over here. You got some bowling alleys too. Awesome. Next to the Monster Golf is the Real Bodies. That's a real amazing thing, the Real Bodies. Without the doubt, the most exciting exhibition to hit Las Vegas in recent memory. Yeah, I've seen it a couple times. It really is amazing.